Welcome to my channel. My name is Arohi. This is my first video. Happy Diwali everybody. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Lion the Mouse. The Lion the Mouse. Once a lion caught a mouse. He wanted to eat the mouse. Please don't eat me. Someday I will do you a favor. Lion do pity on the rock. Let him go. After few days, Lion got caught in a hunter's net. Mouse came to know of this. He rushed to it with the sharp teeth and cut
the hunter net.
He cut the nut.
Hunter's net.
Hunter's net and set the lion free. Moral of the story: no one too small, too big to help one another. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like